Do you know garlic mixed cucumber is very nutritional and have enormous benefits? In today's video, you will learn about the garlic mixed cucumber health benefits that can help to improve your many different ways. In Western culture, garlic has been used in various cuisines, due to their unique aroma and flavor. Besides culinary uses, garlic possessing various medicinal and therapeutic properties, and it has been widely used in Asian countries for their curative benefits. Garlic contains high levels of manganese, folate, vitamin C, vitamin B6, calcium, and many more. On the other side, cucumber is also packed with healthy nutrients. It is low in calories, sodium, carbohydrates, and besides the enormous nutritional health benefits. It is also high in antioxidants and also contains 95% of water, which makes it ideal for weight loss. Cucumber also contains high levels of vitamin K, vitamin C, manganese, potassium, pantothenic acid, and magnesium. When combining both the ingredients that make them potent combination with many health-promoting abilities. As I mentioned earlier, both are packed with nutrition, unique plant compounds, and contain medicinal properties. Let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming garlic mixed with cucumber regularly. First, combining and consuming garlic mixed cucumber can provide important health benefits for our heart, and reduce risk factors associated with heart disease. Garlic is one of the amazing heart-healthy food. It provides medicinal properties that can reduce chronic diseases such as cardiovascular disease. Along with that, the active compounds in garlic can help to significantly reduce and regulate blood pressure levels. Further, garlic can help to lower both total cholesterol and bad LDL cholesterol levels. Consuming cucumber is also good for our hearts. It contains high levels of antioxidants that can reduce free radicals in the body. These free radicals can damage the cardiovascular system, and over time, increase the risk of developing heart disease. Consuming a mixture of cucumber and garlic can help to control blood sugar levels in the body. Studies have shown that the consumption of cucumbers can help to reduce blood sugar levels. This is even more likely when the cucumber peel is left on due to the extracts found in the peel that can decrease blood sugar and insulin sensitivity risks. Garlic is also helpful in this regard as it can help to control blood sugar levels. As it has a very low amount of calories, antioxidants, and medicinal compounds that easily manage spikes in blood sugar levels. Spikes in blood sugar can lead to complications associated with increased blood sugar levels. Garlic and cucumber, when eating together, can also offer tremendous benefits for our immune system. Studies have clearly shown that garlic is beneficial for our immune system and how it can fight and prevent various infections and illnesses, such as the common cold and flu. Garlic also has amazing antibacterial, antifungal, and antiviral properties, and when combined with its free radical reducing antioxidants, can support our immune system and promote its proper functioning. Cucumbers can also help to support a healthy immune system due to its very high levels of antioxidants. Studies have even shown that not only can they reduce the risk of illness, but even chronic illness and disease. Cucumbers can reduce oxidative stress caused by free radicals while reducing the risk of autoimmune disease. Further, it can help to manage blood pressure that is a silent killer because it can be developed in your body for years without any symptoms. To overcome all the bad effects of blood pressure, this mixture will be very helpful. It's very easy to incorporate into your daily diet. You can consume them in form of salad. Here is a simple recipe to prepare salad with cucumber and garlic. You will need half a cucumber, 2 cloves of garlic, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil or coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of thyme or dill salt, and pepper to taste. Wash the cucumber and cut into cubes. Next, peel the garlic and cut fine piece or crush in a bowl. Then add cucumbers cubes, crushed garlic, lemon juice, thyme oil or dill salt and pepper. Mix well all the ingredients. Your salad is ready for serve. I hope all this information will help to improve your health. If you like this information, please press the thumbs up button on the video to support us. And share this video with your friends and family. To learn more about natural remedies and healthy foods, please subscribe and tap the bell icon below for getting regular updates. Stay fit, and thanks for watching this video.